semi-auto pistols are among the best handguns you'll ever fire. Their capacity to hold higher magazine rounds and reload cartridges quickly is amazing. They're excellent concealed carry guns and offer immense accuracy and reliability. The rapid cartridge reload makes it possible to take quick follow-up shots, and the shooting experience is super exciting. As a civilian, what pistols are readily available to you? How do you know which one will serve you best and why? Say no more, we'll answer these questions and more by revealing the top 7 civilian semi-auto pistols. These ones are the cream of the crop, so don't sleep on them. Before we move on, we'd like you to support us on our journey of building a community of gun lovers by subscribing to our channel and tuning in for more updates. If you've done that, then let's get into the video. Number 7. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Designed to be easily handled by shooters with small hands, the Springfield Hellcat Pro is a unique concealed carry option. Its performance and capacity are awe-inspiring for its small size. Its magazine capacity of 15 rounds makes it the smallest factory 9mm pistol to carry such high rounds. Even the Glock 43X and Glock 48, which come in smaller sizes, don't hold a 15-round magazine, which puts the Hellcat Pro above them. The Hellcat Pro's ergonomic design and performance give it a great advantage. The space between the front and back strap allows you to take control easily. The grip is comfortable enough and fits just right for people with larger hands. The texture around the grip is akin to a smooth gritted sandpaper that's nice on the skin. Although the magazine release is set for right-handed shooters, it's easily interchangeable for ambidextrous use. The trigger has a safety you must disengage to use, and pulling the trigger is bliss. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. Who wouldn't expect to see a Smith & Wesson on the list? The Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 is a full-sized pistol chambered in 9mm. It's also available in 2 other chambers, but we'll focus on the 9mm chamber. Like every other pistol on our list today, the S&W M&P 2.0 is an exceptional pistol that can stand side by side with a Glock and outshine it. Its magazine capacity is 17 rounds. A high-performance pistol, the M&P 2.0 has an aggressive grip texture, and its accuracy level is a target destroyer. Its ergonomic design is a beauty to behold. The trigger is crisp and light to pull. Just a little touch will make you feel the power of the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. A polymer-framed striker-fired semi-auto pistol, it's available in matte black and flat dark earth finishes. It has excellent control and 4 palm swell grips that can be used interchangeably for a comfortable hand fit. The overall shooting experience you enjoy handling the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 is nothing a Glock 19 or whatever Glock can offer. Number 5. F&S 9C Compact. Number 5 on our list is the F&S 9C Compact. This ergonomic pistol has its design based off of the NFS series, only that it's a subcompact version. The F&S 9C was created as a result of the popularity and fame of the original F&S, and although it's a smaller version of the original, it performs just as much as the original does. It's a properly constructed pistol, and it comes in 2 different chambering, the 9mm and 40 S&W. It's a great pistol to carry around casually because of its compact size and efficiency. Made specifically to promote carrier's comfort, the F&S 9C has a smooth exterior design and its sides are well trimmed to avoid snagging. It's a double-stack magazine pistol that comes with standard 2 12-round magazine and a single 17-round magazine with a 3.6-inch barrel. So not only is the F&S 9C compact, it's packed with enough capacity to take out targets as much as you need in one go. It's equipped with a larger front sight than the F&S possesses, and it's altogether a reliable, efficient, and concealable pistol perfect for a casual day. Number 4. The CZ P10C. The CZ P10C is a relatively new player in the concealed carry market, but it's already making waves with its unique design and impressive features. I've had the opportunity to shoot the P10C and found that it has a lot to offer in terms of comfort and accuracy. The grip is highly ergonomic with a grip angle that feels natural and intuitive. One aspect of the CZ P10C that impressed me is its trigger. The trigger on the CZ P10C is one of the best in its class. It's smooth, consistent, and has a short reset that makes follow-up shots quick and easy. I found that the trigger sets this handgun apart from some of its competitors, and it makes the P10C a joy to shoot. Another aspect of the CZ P10C that I appreciate is its impressive capacity. The CZ P10C comes standard with a 15-round capacity, but it also accepts the very prominent 19-round magazine from the CZ P10F. This means that you can have an incredibly compact handgun with the capacity of a full-sized pistol, and while the standard 15-round magazine is already impressive, having the option to increase capacity without significantly increasing the size of the handgun is a significant advantage. Number 4. Canik Mete MC9. Don't be tempted to even look at a Glock 26 when a Canik Mete MC9 sits right next to it. That would be an error. The Canik Mete MC9 is a striker-fired semi-auto pistol with fantastic ergonomics that no Glock can stand up to. Its double-stacked magazine holds 12 to 15 rounds. Unlike the Canik TP9, the Canik Mete MC9 comes with reduced slides and frames made to be more compact. Its design is a polymer frame that features front and rear cocking serration. The grip is sturdy and allows for comfortable handling and control. The Canik Mete MC9's rugged design is perfected by its flawless trigger pull. Not even the Glock 19 has such a smooth trigger pull. You would think that there would be a drop in performance because of the reduced dimensions, but the Canik Mete MC9 is different. The accuracy level of the Canik Mete MC9 can stand up to that of any full-size pistol without flinching. To top it all up, the gun comes in a lockable case adorned with fun accessories to complement, including the 12 and 15 round magazines. Number 3. Taurus GX4. Explicitly designed for concealed carry, the Taurus GX4 has a slim profile that makes it easy to hide securely while you go about your day. It has a magazine capacity of 11 rounds and is placed side by side with the Glock, so the Taurus GX4 is way easier to control. It's a double-stacked 9mm pistol. The space between the back and front straps allows you to maneuver easily. Talk about its ergonomics. The Taurus GX4 is a polymer frame pistol with a removable back strap. Its grip has a sandpaper feel, and the overall ergonomic design of the Taurus GX4 is made to serve the purpose for which it's designed sufficiently. It's equipped with a front sight, and its magazine release is smooth. All you have to do is have this pistol right where you need it in your holster, and when it's time to unleash, don't doubt that even if your attacker or potential attacker is carrying a Glock 43, he has no chance against you. The accuracy of the Taurus GX4 will make sure he's right where he needs to be, on his knees. Number 2. Glock Model 19. One of the most popular handguns on the market is the Glock 19 thanks to its versatility and reliability. It's often called the Goldilocks of Glock pistols because it's considered the perfect balance of size, weight, and capacity. It's large enough to be used effectively in self-defense, but small enough to be carried concealed if needed. The G19 has a standard magazine capacity of 15 rounds, giving it more firepower than most compact pistols. This can be important in self-defense where you may need to engage multiple threats. It's highly modular with various aftermarket accessories and modifications available. Number 1. Sig P365. The concealed carry pistol market was doing just fine before the P365 showed up, and as soon as it did, the game changed. Endless comparisons have been made. The Sig P365 is the standard for concealability and performance. It comes with a double-stacked 10+1 round magazine capacity. The magazine comes in two types, one that fits the grip perfectly and another that's slightly extended for comfortable handling. Despite its capacity, this striker-fired semi-auto pistol retains a compact, concealable size, making it a desired pistol among shooters who can use more than the standard 6 rounds. And I dare to say that regarding accuracy, reliability, and efficiency, even the Glock 19 pistol can't hold a candle to the Sig P365. It could hit a target without you looking, and even when you're not sure of yourself, the P365 will boost your confidence. The stainless slide and polymer module grip are top-notch. Its ergonomic design is the finest, and pulling the trigger is a pleasure. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have experience with any of the pistols on our list, don't hesitate to share it with us. You might just be helping someone out. Once again, we invite you to join our community by subscribing and helping us grow by liking and sharing our content. We look forward to your maximum support. We have more exciting content available, so do well to check them out. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.